In the peaceful town of Dalston, two best friends, Wilson and Ben, were known for being inseparable. They played soccer together, built tree houses, and even dreamed of opening a pet rescue center when they grew up. But one day, something changed. During a school art competition, both boys worked hard on their paintings. Wilson painted a majestic lion standing on a mountaintop, while Ben painted a colorful sunset over the ocean. The winner was announced. Ben had won first place. Wilson's heart sank with disappointment. Instead of congratulating Ben, Wilson let anger take over. "Your painting wasn't even that good," Wilson muttered. "You probably got lucky." Ben's smile faded. "What? I worked really hard on it, just like you." Wilson crossed his arms. "Maybe the judges just felt sorry for you." Ben's face turned red with hurt. "That's not fair, Wilson. I thought you were my friend." From that day on, Wilson and Ben stopped playing together. They ignored each other at school, no longer laughing or sharing ideas. A wall of silence grew between them. One afternoon, Wilson's grandfather, Grandpa Martin, noticed Wilson sitting alone by the lake. "Why the long face, kiddo?" Grandpa asked, sitting beside him. Wilson kicked a pebble. "Ben and I aren't friends anymore. He won the art contest, and I got mad, and now we don't talk." Grandpa Martin nodded. "So, did winning the contest make Ben a bad friend?" Wilson hesitated. "No. I was just upset. But now it's too late." Grandpa Martin smiled. "Let me tell you a story. A long time ago, I had a best friend named Charles. We had an argument, just like you and Ben. I was too proud to say sorry, and so was he. Do you know what happened?" Wilson shook his head. "We lost years of friendship," Grandpa said, his voice full of regret. "All because neither of us wanted to take the first step. Don't make the same mistake I did." Wilson thought about it. He missed Ben, their games, their jokes, their plans for a pet rescue. But what if Ben was still mad? "What if he doesn't forgive me?" Wilson asked. Grandpa Martin patted his shoulder. "Forgiveness isn't about waiting for the other person. It's about doing the right thing, no matter what happens next." That evening, Wilson gathered his courage. He walked up to Ben's house and knocked on the door. Ben opened it, his face filled with surprise. Wilson took a deep breath. "I was wrong. I was jealous, and I hurt you. I should have been happy for you instead. I'm really sorry, Ben." Ben was silent for a moment. Then, slowly, a smile appeared. "I missed you, man." Wilson grinned. "So, are we still going to open that pet rescue?" Ben laughed. "Only if you agree that my painting was amazing." Wilson chuckled. Fine, it was amazing." The two friends shook hands, and just like that, their friendship was restored. From that day on, Wilson learned that forgiveness is more powerful than pride. He realized that mistakes don't have to end friendships, if you have the courage to make things right. Moral of the story: holding on to anger keeps us apart, but forgiveness brings people closer than ever. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.